Hey, my name's Daniel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Microsoft Surface headphones. Let's jump into it. So we have a beautiful platinum case which really fits in with the color aesthetic of the headphones themselves. The cables that are included in the case as well are over the same platinum accent, and I think that the headphones look really gorgeous. Inside we have a quick start guide, 2 cables, one's for your headphone jack with an inline mic, the USB-C charging cable, and of course the Surface headphones. The design of the headphones is gorgeous. They are in obviously that platinum tone, but there's also 2 Surface logos in polished aluminium on either side, which I think really stands out. On head, the headphones have a dial on either ear. So the left ear for noise cancellation and the right ear for volume, which is really useful. In the middle, there is touchpads. So single touch, double touch, triple touch, and hold down are all controls that you can use to skip music, pause it, play it, and of course access any controls on your cell phone. The feel is really comfortable. They're lightweight, breathable, and I never really feel fatigued when I'm wearing these headphones. Something that really stands out to me is the fact that when I'm listening to music or I'm on a call, the Surface headphones will either pause the music or mute the call when I just take the headphones off. Now, they'll automatically start back where I left off when I put the headphones back on. The Surface headphones are beautiful, comfortable headphones with innovative features. Check them out now at JB Hi-Fi.